This is a huge day at Iconic Motorbikes. Monster day. Huge. Bigger than his hair. Like, it's that big of a day. I can't even tell you how difficult getting this MotoGP bike into the United States was. And you gotta understand something. We brought probably well over 300 bikes in and out of the US since we started Iconic. I mean, just Africa alone was 100 and some bikes. In Japan, who knows? This one was just a perfect, the timing was just awful because it was between duties and customs going through the roof and all these changes, bringing bikes in and out. The air shipper made all these mistakes. Anyway,
Nightmare.
what's that?
It's a nightmare.
It was a nightmare. Anyway, good news. Check this out. All right, the unveiling. Here is the box we've been waiting for. We have not opened this yet. So, are you going to hold those cameras right, or are you going to just keep flipping them back and forth?
I got it. Don't worry about it.
Someone needs to stop drinking. All right, so keep an eye on what's happening here. Frank, if you turn on that way, you ready? Ready? 1, 2. Go back, keep more. Let's get all the way in the shade. All right, that's it. We did it. Come on. And now,
It's seeing daylight.
Mike's been in this box for way too long.
Let me get in there. Let me get in there.
You're not gonna see you much.
Oh,
Alright, someone grab that crowbar on the top. Standing upright, good sign. So if you weren't here, I would say it's a really bad stuff right here.
Yeah.
Something else.
Yeah.
Okay.
What is embracing? Sitting right
The actual rider's gear.
Oh.
Boots, his leathers, his gloves.
Oh shoot.
And I believe even, I want to say, I thought this was to be a helmet, but I'm not 100% on that. Yep, helmet.
Oh wow. Wow.
In my clip, because yours is going on and on.
Yeah.
Hang on. And
I was gonna say there's
check this out.
Andrea Iannone.
Only at Iconic Motorbikes. Wait, I'm not done yet. This video continues. Gloves.
Ooh.
Those are pretty cool. I would love to wear these to the rock store tomorrow, but I'm quite sure.
Got this.
So the question was, who's gonna be the first to sit on this bike? I got the honors. I gave the guys the option though, to their credit. Oh my gosh, this is insane. It's not the most comfortable seat. I'm just kidding.
We'll see.
Roomy.
You're not sitting down, so.
Oh my god, this is incredible. Look at this thing. Come, Nick, come check out this triple clamp. Look at this. This is jump. This is double jump. This is shoot. Oh wait, that's We're playing 2 minutes Nintendo.
Where's the missiles?
What?
Where's the missiles?
All right, if you've been following along, we had one of the more relevant bikes that's ever come through Iconic Motorbikes.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm talking out of this world kind of stuff.
Absolutely incredible.
The upper escalage of motorcycles as a whole is a MotoGP bike, and sure as heck, we have a true blue, proven
MotoGP bike.
That's right.
2019 Aprilia RSGP, ridden by
I can never say his name right.
Andrea Iannone.
There you go. Perfect.
All right, you ready, my
Yep,
friend?
let's do the unveiling. Ollie, come on, give us a hand. You're the pro at this. Ollie and Daniel have already got a start on, taking off the bodywork. We do that pre-auction. This bike is for the auction site, so we want to make sure you know what you're buying and what you're bidding on. So, oh gosh, I'm so excited I can barely even get this. But it's pretty much complete. It's not a rideable bike. It is display only. When Aprilia sells their bikes, typically they don't include an ECU. The transmission might be removed, certain things like that. This bike does have an ECU, so it will power up, but it's missing a couple key components. It has a
so there's a pneumatic valve system for these things as you get into modern MotoGP bikes. So, forget Desmo, valve trains, that kind of thing. But it does require a whole air system for it. And the tank is missing, but, we might know some people that could,
we could probably find some of the parts
to drive the valve train, because, of course, at that power level and those RPMs, they're doing some cool stuff.
I mean, look at this. It's just so, again, you hear people talking about, oh, it's so close to a MotoGP bike. No, the street bike is nothing like it, right, Ollie? Like, the street bike, look at, even the little hose clamps, the quick release hose clamps, everything's made just to be able to swap things out on a whim, right? This is where the external starter goes on there. But the machine work and how thin the frame is and just, it's just a work of art.
You know what? There is one thing that is like the street bikes. Samco coolant hoses.
Oh, is that right?
There you go. It's easy to see on this side.
And a chain.
Yeah, and a chain and two wheels. Yeah.
Even these calipers. I can't even imagine
I know, right?
It would cost
that whole
to
front end.
replace those.
And these rotors, my God, that is so cool.
So again, this bike is here for the auction site. If you've been following along, like I said, and but we're gonna take a bunch of pictures of it. Go ahead.
Well, what's your plan this weekend with it, my friend?
My plan this weekend is we're going to showcase it up at the Rock Store and, kind of let people see it if they want to take pictures of it. If they have a receipt, though, that's the thing. We're really close with Richard that owns the Rock Store. They went through some tough times through, all the COVID and all that kind of stuff like that. So we want to do our parts, help them out. So if you have a receipt, you bought breakfast, you can have a seat on one of these bikes. I'll tell you this, though. When you're working on a MotoGP bike, I learned this weekend when we were at COTA. Hard lesson. You can't touch the bikes. And you really can't take any photos of it. So the most important thing I can tell you is if you have the privilege of going into pits and everything else, make sure you don't do it when the rider's around, because the riders can get really, really upset.
Hey, what are you doing, Mama? Mi papa culo.
We had no idea.
Where did that guy come from?
He came with a bike. We opened a crate. He was in there. We're sorry for if ICE is looking for that guy. They should. Anyway, watch for this bike at our auction site. Oh, and again, I know I featured this on the YouTube thing, but I wish you could just feel. Yeah. Literally, I wouldn't even say a paperweight. It is literally.
Yeah, it's less. You could hook up less.
Oh, there he is. There's his name right there. And again, the Maniac. So we have some more footage of this. We'll get some more shots of it while it's apart for our YouTube channel, and a whole bunch of stuff for the auction that's going live this weekend.
Going live this week. We've done a bunch of research on it. It's a 2019 RSGP. Iannone got signed for a 2-year deal. Unfortunately, he got busted for doping in December 2019. See, Ollie knows what's up. He walked away as soon as I said that. But yeah, so this is, it's the first year that Massimo Rivola was the CEO of Aprilia Racing. There's a lot of cool history with this bike, and we're excited to share it with you and hopefully find a new home.
That's all we got.
Hi, Oliver. There you go. Thank you.
All right, everyone ready?
Director. Yep.
Nolan?
Ready.
All right, here we go.